welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. If it's your first time here, welcome. I make regular videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So guys, today's video is all about the tutorial of this makeup look. So this is basically an Indian wedding guest makeup look. So recently I attended a wedding and I wore this look and it really turned out to be a great one, which paired up so well with my Indian outfit. It's a golden halo smoky eyes and I have paired it with a dark red lip color. You can actually change the lip color of your choice, just pairing it with the outfit that you will be wearing. But I think this is really a versatile look and it's very much easy to create as well. So today I have used this eyeshadow palette. It's one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes that I have in my collection. It's the LA Girl Hot Heat eyeshadow palette in the shade Aloha Vibes, and I have used this golden shade mostly and absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. And the other products which I have used in this tutorial are mainly drugstore stuff. As I always do, I try to keep my products really affordable and easily accessible. So I hope you're gonna like this video, but before going to that, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit on the notification bell next to the red subscribe button so that you may get updates whenever I upload a new one. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So to prep my lips, I'm using Maybelline Baby Lips in the shade HIGHLINE Wine, which is my absolute favorite lip balm, and most of the time I use this lip balm before doing my makeup. And now it's time to prep my skin, for which I'm using this Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Multivitamin Face Cream, which comes in an airless jar. And this face cream is enriched with aloe vera. Along with that, it contains vitamin A, C, E, B3, B5. And I'm using my fingertips to apply this product on my face and also massaging it in. So this face cream provides me adequate moisture, but it doesn't make my skin look overly greasy or oily. Now it's time to do my brows, for which I'm using a spoolie and brushing it through my brows. I'm gonna brush it down to know that natural eyebrow line. Now I'm using this Europe Girl 3D Sculpt eyebrow kit and using the middle ash brown shade from the palette, and with the brush it comes with, I'm just defining my brows, just outlining it and also filling it in with the same product. And this product is definitely very pigmented, so with this product you can do your eyebrows within minutes. So using a spoolie, I am just distributing the product all over my brows, and you can see my brows are looking really prominent and bold. So I think this product is so affordable and you can do your eyebrows really fast with the help of this product. Now it's time to prime my skin, for which I'm using the Pack Pore Primer, my absolute favorite primer, and it just fills my pores, helps in making my skin look really smooth. On the other hand, it doesn't make my skin look overly matte, which I don't like. So I just love how hydrating this product on my face, and I absolutely love the feeling of this primer, guys, and it actually smells so good. You can see this is how my primed face looks like. Now it's time to apply foundation. So for the foundation, I'm using my current obsession, the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear foundation. I'm taking one pump of this at the back of my hand and warming it up a little bit. I'm just applying this all over my face with the help of my fingertips. Now I'm using this Vichy beauty sponge and started on blending this in, and you can see this product is definitely having medium to full coverage, which you can actually build this up, but I absolutely love the feeling of this foundation on my face. So you can see I'm applying the second layer of this foundation to get the full coverage, because it's a wedding makeup look. It helps in adding such a nice healthy glow to my face, guys, and it's completely smudge proof, budge proof foundation. Highly recommended. For the concealer, I'm using another affordable product which just works so great for my skin. It's the Swiss Beauty the liquid concealer. I'm just putting it under my eyes, also priming my eyelids with it, putting it under around my mouth, around my nose, and also blending the same with the help of the same sponge. And this concealer looks so healthy under my eyes. It adds such a nice glow to my skin. You can see it has got medium coverage, which I really like. Now to set my concealer, I'm using my favorite loose powder from Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Finishing Loose Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium, and with the help of this Pack 003 brush, I'm just setting my the areas where I have put the concealer on. So I'm not just overly setting my face, but just setting the areas where I just creases the most. Now it's time to do my eyes. So for the eyes, I'm using this LA Girl Hot Heat eyeshadow palette in the shade Aloha Vibes, and you can see how pretty this eyeshadow palette looks. So at first I'm taking this light brown having cool undertone shade from the palette in a fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna just apply it all over my crease like this and slowly build up the color over there. Now I'm taking this a dark chocolate brown shade from the palette in a pencil brush, and this one is my Pro Arte in number PE29. I'm applying this right in the outer corner of my eyes and also in the inner corner of my eye like this, depositing the shade over there and then connect them together and blend it really nicely to create a very nice depth all over my crease and all over the outer and the inner corners of my eyes like this. Now taking a fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna blend out the edges so that everything look very nice and diffuse. And I'm taking this slate black sort of shade from the palette in the same brush and applying it right on the areas where I have put the previous shade, also putting it right in the outer and the inner corner of my eyes, connect them together again and slowly building up the color over there and blend it very nicely. And you can see this is creating such a nice gradient and a halo effect on my eyes, again blending out the edges so that everything look very nice and diffused. Now I'm taking this gorgeous golden shade from the palette in a flat shader brush and spraying a little bit of fixer to get the best pigmentation, and this is insanely pigmented, guys. You can see I'm just applying this at the center of my lid like this, and this is I think one of the most pigmented golden yellow shade that I have used till date. I just absolutely love this color. Now I'm taking this black from the palette again, and with the help of that same pencil brush I'm just diffusing the edges like this so that it doesn't look harsh and there is no harsh edges. And I'm going to take this chocolate brown shade from the palette in a pencil brush and applying it all over my lower lash line like this, followed by that golden shade which I'm going to apply right at the center of my lower lash line. This is the K-Beauty Co-Star Kajal in the shade Spade, and I'm gonna just outline my upper and my lower waterline with the help of this kajal. And with the help of the same kajal, I'm gonna roughly draw a winged eyeliner on my upper lid like this, which I'm gonna smudge later. So you don't have to be very precise while doing this liner. Now I'm going to take this brown shade from the palette, and with the help of a smudging brush I'm going to slowly start on smudging the kohl that I have put on my upper lid, as you can see. So this will help in softening the edges of the liner and helps in making the eye look really soft and dramatic. I just absolutely love the feeling of this look. You can even use a brown gel liner for this look as well. You can see it looks so soft, really dramatic. I just absolutely love this look. Now for the mascara, I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, my absolute favorite mascaras of all time. And I'm gonna add very good 2 coats of this mascara on my upper and my lower lashes like this. This mascara adds very nice volume as well as lengthens my lashes so well. So you can see this is how my eyes are looking now. Now it's time to apply some falsies, and this is my final eye look. So you can see eyes are done, base makeup done. Now it's time to add some warmth to my face, for which I need to contour my face, for which I'm using the Nykaa Contour and Highlight Duo in the shade Sizzle Chisel, and I'm going to use this cool tone contouring shade from the palette in a brush by Wet n Wild. I'm going to take it and just tapping off the excess. I'm going to apply it under my cheekbones on the areas where I just need to add artificial shadows to make my face look really structured and defined. And this contouring shade is really gorgeous, guys. It looks so well on Indian skin tone. So you can see my face is looking quite structured and less chubbier than before. Now it's time to apply blush, for which I'm using Color Bar Matte Illusion blush in the shade Timeless Rouge, and it's a mauvish pink shade having cool undertone and pairs up really well with this eye look. So I'm just popping this on the apples of my face like this. Now it's time to apply highlighter, for which I'm using Nykaa Highlighting and Illuminating Duo, and I'm just mixing these 2 shades and applying this on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my forehead, on my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, on the areas where I just need to add those really glowy light, and also highlighting the inner corner of my eyes with the help of the same highlighter, and also highlighting my brow bone as well. So you can see this is how my highlighted face looks like. Now it's time to do my lips. So for the lips, I'm using my current obsession. It's the Faces Canada All Time Pro Lip Crayon in the shade Midnight Rose. It's such a gorgeous red lip color, guys. It's a maroonish red having hints of pink in it, having cool undertone, and it's suitable for all Indian skin tones, and I absolutely love the formula of this lip crayon. It's so comfortable to wear, yet gives you a very nice matte finish, intensely pigmented and These are the creamiest lip crayons that I have used till date. Now to set my face, I'm using this new Maybelline Lasting Fix makeup setting spray. I just don't like the sprayer of this setting spray. I'm using this pair of earrings which my mom got for me, and also adding a bindi because I just love wearing black bindi. So you can see this has completely changed the look, and this is the finished look.
Look guys, this is how I created this wedding guest makeup look with this golden smoky yellow eyes paired with this bold red, dark red lip shade. You can actually wear a nude lip shade for this look as well, and you can even remove the bindi if you are not comfortable wearing bindi, but I really love wearing black bindis. So most of the time with my traditional Indian outfits I wear bindi. So it really turned out to be a great one and matched with the outfit that I was wearing on that particular day. And you can actually wear the right jewelry with the outfit that you will be wearing and completely amp up the look. In this way you can create this look, and I think this is a really versatile look which can be worn with any colored outfits. So I hope you really like this video guys, and if you did, then please hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, or if you're just watching me for the first time, take a moment and subscribe. It means a lot to me, help me grow. We'll see you soon in my next video guys. Till then, just take care of yourself, be happy, stay healthy. Bye guys.